Hi everybody, my name is Janice. I'm with York Elementary School with ICES Education and I teach art there. So what I'm going to have today, thank you. What I'm going to have today is my students grab a piece of paper, any kind of paper, and a pencil, color pencil. You guys can use whatever kind of utensils you want, but you're going to use scissors, so cautious, okay? Make sure an adult is around when you guys do use the scissors, please. Write them out first so you guys won't mess up. So pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes. I had picked a heart, a star, don't judge my star, a triangle, a square, and a circle. Those my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those my 5 shapes that I had chose to work with because it's more easy and simple. Any shapes you would like, and I want you guys to decorate them to your best of ability. I'm working on cutting out my square at the moment. I wish I can see how you guys are gonna turn out because I know my kids, it's really awesome when it comes to art. They're so unique in their own kind of way, and it's awesome. It's my square. I'm going to the triangle. Okay, triangle. On to the hard part. Let's get the star out the way. Okay, the hard part is done. The star. It came out looking okay, better than I really expected, to be honest. Let's get the heart out the way. I love this heart. It's really cute. Okay, and we're all done. My heart is cut out. And now the final pieces. I want you guys to decorate them like to the best. My heart, my star, my triangle, my square, my circle. Everything turned out perfect. So I want all you guys to follow along and do every step that I did, but do yours way better than me. Way better. I want it to be on point. Thumbs up. So once you guys cut them out, you guys want to have 5 individual shapes. So I chose to go with a circle and I colored it blue. I went with the star, colored it yellow. Went with the square, colored it purple, well pink. Colored a heart, colored it green, and I did a red triangle, as you guys can see. You guys can hang them up on your wall, stick them in a scrapbook, put them on the back of your phones with tape. You guys can do anything with these shapes, and I just want you guys to enjoy them. And that's my quick video for today. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay safe and wash your hands. Thank you.